Hi, my name is Nurina Hazwani binti Abdurrahman. My meeting number is CE 200-201. Today we are from Group 8. We will show a demonstration. We using a touchable machine to classification the image. I mean, like we which the group a lot of image, we can classification using the touchable machine. So this is our group demonstration.
Greetings, doctor. My name is Danesh Sadasivam, matrix number DE200010. So, today for our assignment 1, I'm going to demonstrate my image classification using Google Teachable Machine. So, let's get started. So, firstly, we need to classify our data sets into 4 classes. So, let's get started. So these are the data sets. I have 4 types of different objects and things and also animals. So firstly scooter. And name the class as scooter. Followed by the second class. Which will be mouse. And name it as mouse. Third will be cars. And lastly will be horse. And name it accordingly. Once we uploaded the images into each class according to their names, we can start training the models. So in training the models, we have a few parameters such as epochs, which is 50, batch size is 16, and learning rate will be 0.01. Then we can train the models. So once the training of model is done, we can now randomly select an image to identify the image is identified correctly or not. So okay, we select mouse. We just select a random image. Okay, which is this. And let's see the output. Yes, it shows 100% accuracy, which is identified as mouse. And we can see here the accuracy per epoch graph and also the loss per epoch graph. Same goes to the other data sets such as scooter. So the output is identified as scooter with accuracy of 100%. And let's go to car. Yes, the output is shown as car with accuracy of 100%. The last one is horse. the output is shown as horse. So the Google Teachable Machine is a good platform to identify image which is classified into 4 different parts.
Hi, my name is Nordana Hazwani binti Abdurrani. My matrix number is CE 200-201. Today, I will be explaining my part on how I'm doing my group assignment. So, I use a teachable machine. So, firstly, I have to upload my picture into 5 classes. So, each classes they should have 30 picture. So, I use a bike for class number 1. So, I select 30 picture. Okay. Alright, it's not enough, another 3, so I have to upload for another 3 picture. Okay, now is already the picture for the samples. So the class 1, I will change as a bike, so we will not be confused. What classes is this? What classes is that? So the second picture I will select from my desktop is I will select a human picture for 30 picture. Okay. So now I already took the picture of human, so I have to rename the classes. So now it is picture, so I have to add more classes. So as an instruction, we have to do 5 classes. So this is my 3 classes. Okay, I will upload horses. So I have to take a picture. So it's not enough, another 6. Okay, now it's good. It is now, so I have to rename the classes as a horses. And then I have to add another 2 pictures. So now is my class number 4. Okay. So the photo picture I will select as a flowers. Then 30 picture of flowers. Okay. These have been extra, so I have to delete another 8. Okay. Alright, so I have to rename the classes as a flowers. So the last class is class number 5. I have to select another 30 picture. So this time I will select a dog for 30 picture. Okay. I have an extra, so I have to delete to make it like 30 picture for each classes. As a instruction for this group assignment, we have to make 5 classes, and uh, each classes we should have 30 picture. Okay, so now we have to rename this. It's a dog. And now I have already 5 classes: dog, flowers, horses, human, and bike. So the train model. Okay. Before that, we have to check as an instruction in our group assignment. We have to change uh, the size of the training. Right. So the A4 should be 15. The batch size should be 16. And the learning rate is 0.001. As this is the instruction that the professor give us in the assignment, the group assignment. So while that, we have to wait this to be finished training. All right. So now we can use this one, change this one to file. So we select a file picture from our desktop as shown. Okay. For the example, we already have a bike picture. So we have to look the output. Is it bike or not? Okay, now the picture bike already uploaded. So yeah, the output can detect this is a byte picture. So we can try more. So I have to select other picture. So the second picture, I will select a human. Okay, this is a human picture, and the output is detect. This is a human picture. So I will select the last picture. The last picture, I will select a flower. This is the flower picture, and the output is detect. This is a flower picture. So I have achieved my uh, group tutorial. I mean, like my group tutorial. So this is my part. Thank you from me.
Greetings. I'll be presenting about the steps for producing image classification using Google Teachable Machine. So firstly, we need to download sample of images from Kaggle dataset. So we need to download 4 different objects with 30 images each. And after that, we need to open this link, and this will be the interface for the Google Teachable Machine. And we need to create 4 classes. So there will be 2 classes there already. We need to add another 2. So under the each classes, we need to upload 30 images, 30 different images. And after that, there will be 3 hyperparameters there, like this. And we need to set each of the parameters with the given value. So epochs is set at 50, batch size is at 16, learning rate is at 0.001. And after that, we need to click on the train model like this, and there will be some process going on. And once the training is finished, we click on the preview to get the output. And on the output section, we need to upload one of the random images and see whether the system can identify if the image is one of the objects that we uploaded. And after that, we go under the hood to view and get the related graphs. There will be 2 graphs. The first one is accuracy per epoch, and the second one is loss per epoch. That's all. Greetings, doctor. My name is Madan Raj of metric number DE200017, and I will be doing my demonstration part for this assignment. So this assignment is about image classification using Google Teachable Machine. So firstly, we need to create 4 different classes. So third and fourth classes. So for each classes, we need to upload 30 different images. The data over here was downloaded from Kaggle datasheet. So the first class is flowers. The second class will be chess piece of queen. The third class is tomato. And the fourth class is water bottle. So we have uploaded 30 images for each sizes. So this would be the 3 parameters. So the epochs is set at 50, batch size is at 16, and the learning rate is at 0.001. Then we click on the train model. Okay, so right now we need to check whether the software can detect the images, whether it's from flower, queen, tomato, or water bottle. So let's select an image, select water bottle. So as we can see, the software can detect that this image is from water bottle and the accuracy is at 100%. So this will be the graph of accuracy per epoch and loss per epoch. We select different image, select flower. Okay. So the software can detect that this image is flower and the accuracy is at 100% also. Select different image. The accuracy for this one is also 100% because it detects that this image is queen. Okay. It also detects that this is tomato and the accuracy is at 100% also. Lastly, we select water bottle for a different one. Okay. The image detection accuracy is at 100%, and this is the graph for the accuracy per epoch and loss per epoch.
Conclusion. In this assignment, we have learned about image classification using Google Teachable Machine, which is a great way to introduce yourself to the world of machine learning and computer vision. So firstly, in this assignment, we used Kaggle to obtain the different types of data sets, and then we must classify the data sets into four, and the four sets of images will be processed using a particular parameters, followed by the image identification with the selection of random image of the classified images. Thus, we can identify the object or animal which is selected randomly with a higher rate of accuracy. So from this assignment, we can truly understand the image classification using Google Teachable Machine, and the output also came out with 100% of accuracy with uh, a good output. That's all from me.